Hello, welcome viewers. Today in this video, we will teach you how we can make an Instagram reel using Canva. So without waiting any more time, I'm going directly to Instagram Reels. Here, on clicking this, we will get a lot of we will get dozens of pre-made designs which can be customized, which can be totally customized what actually we want. Hey, it's loading. It's all due to internet speed. If you get a sneak peek or high internet, then you can definitely do it more faster. Here, on scrolling this down, I have a lot of customized templates which Canva showing or suggesting me that you can use them for your channel. I'm scrolling this down and looking for what I get for my channel. Here, I've selected this one, this template, which looks catchy for me to be posted on Instagram reel, because I would love cooking. So I have selected this design. You can select whatever you want whatever you like. It totally depends on you. Here, on clicking this, the template is loading, and as you can see that we have 1, 2, 4, and these are the slides, 5 different slides to be editable. It's showing that OTT works. Follow us for more. Tap to order.